that Ferrari is a Ferrari shell, but the engine itself is a Volkswagen because it was cheaper for filming for all the wear and tear. Back to the future cars. And one of our newer cars from Harry Potter Chamber of Secrets, the Ford Angula. Now that is one out of 17 and a half cars that they use for filming. The other half is used for close-up shots of Ron and Harry. Now I said anything with a motor could be a picture car, so we got the Crawdaddy from us, as well as a brand new fighting vehicle from Transformers. Now this tank might look like it's made of tons of metal parts, but it's actually made of pressed plywood. Because these are the Fast and Furious cars. If you're not familiar with the store, that's what we have here at it's a lot of fun, I recommend. Now, it was built in 1959, and we only used it for exterior shots. Everything else was done on our sound station, actually. Now, 15 minutes away from the end of our tour, so I just want to remind you of attention, and I will sit. I welcome you all to some of our most elaborate sets in all of Hollywood, and that is War of the Worlds, thanks to Mr. Steven Spielberg.
This perfect example of a set that is all designed around.
I thought, what if the 747 they found right in a neighborhood?
Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay?
Anywhere to be found. That is not necessarily. Effects are very important for any film, especially something of this size. Now, as much as we can get more realistic, like you're seeing now, special effects. So let's take a look at some special effects.
It's Jupiter's planet. The nostalgic former Chinese star. There, looking to the winter night. Have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s kid show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Well, a little further down, you can see the brand show. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of the gold rush frontier town, it is smack dab in the center of the UFO hotspot. What's a bad mirror?
Something is going to...
Man begs his mama to look under his bed.
Chase.
Well, there's a high international crime scene to get Charles is holding in on his vehicle to take that witness out. Charles is
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Escort this novice out.
It's gonna get ugly fast.
Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting.
Time. Wearing dirty glasses, going into a safe location.
This is our turn. Okay, guys. Hook him up.
Don't think you'll get in the way!
Where you go, baby? Don't lining up the missile shot! Not gonna happen!
Tesla mascots like you? We had our own businesses. They bombed it. We don't have